I'm Tammy Cutler, and I've decided to take some time away from the corporate world to try my hand at painting and sketching all plein air. Join me on my journey as I tackle the ups and downs of painting outside. I've come out today to one of Toronto's nature gems, the evergreen Brickworks. I'm all packed up and ready to head out for some plein air painting. Evergreen Brickworks is located on the east side of Toronto and is a great place to reconnect with nature. It is located on the site of the former Don Valley Brickworks and Quarry, a site that made bricks that built Toronto. In 2010, Evergreen transformed a collection of deteriorating heritage buildings into a showcase for green design. Open year-round, Evergreen Brickworks has public markets and events. It's also in the heart of Toronto's ravine system. I've set up here along a little windy path that's not part of the official walkways, so I'm hoping I'm out of the way for most of the foot traffic. The lighting in the fall is really nice as the sun is a bit lower in the sky and adds a bit of drama to the work. That's a wrap for today at the Toronto Brickworks. A little busier than I expected, but all in all, a great day for painting. Please like and subscribe if you like this video for more of my plein air adventures.